welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to hide your location on Snapchat using ghost mode. Perfect for staying private. Open Snapchat and open your Snapchat map. Next, what you can do is this is where your friends can see your location. Tap the gear icon on the top right corner to open settings, and then turn on ghost mode. You can choose to stay hidden for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off. Next, you can customize your location sharing, select friends and my friends accept or only these friends to control who see your location from here. Next, and that's it. Once ghost mode is on, your location is hidden and your friends will see just a Bitmoji on the app as invisible. And that's how you use ghost mode on Snapchat to stay private. If this helped, like and subscribe and check out my other Snapchat tips. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.